Hello, wonderful people. Welcome. Here we have this question, and the question reads ln of x raised to the power of 1 all over 2 equal to bracket open ln of x close bracket all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. What is the value of x? Here we are asked to look for x. So how do we solve for x? We take our solution here. Now, if you check the base number to this expression, this is logarithm, right? The base number is to base e. Okay, so since it's to base e, we can apply the law of logarithm to this side of the equation. And the law which says that if you have the ln, you have the ln of, let's take p to the power of k, say move this back, and so this will give us our k times the ln of our p. Okay, so if we consider this rule, we can rewrite the left hand side of this equation, and so this is going to give us our 1 all over 2, okay, times the ln of our x. This is equal to the ln of our x all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. You may ask, why is the law not applicable to this other side? It is because everything here is raised to this 1 all over 2. But if you check out here, it's only the x that is raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Okay, good. Now, from what we can see here now, we now have this separate, we also have this separate. And so we can do a simple substitution to this challenge here. And how do I mean? Let's bring in another alphabet to represent ln of x here and here. So here we can say let the ln of our x be equal to, let's take our y. So wherever we see ln of x, we put in y in there. So this now implies that our 1 all over 2 times our y is equal to y all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Okay, yeah, we have to use this to open up this, and if we use this to open up this could be written as our y all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. We eliminate this denominator, so we multiply through by our 2, so multiply by 2. So if we do that, this is going to give us 1 all over 2 y, right? Then times our 2, this is equal to our y to the power of 1 all over 2 times 2. So this will leave. We are now left with our y will be equal to our 2y to the power of 1 all over 2. This is a power, so we have to eliminate this power, and it's a fraction. And so we take the opposite of this, which is square. So we raise this side to the power of 2, we equally raise this side to the power of 2. Remember the law of indices, which says that when you have your a times m all raised to the power of n, this is same thing as a to the power of n times m to the power of n. Remember this? So we use these two to open up everything here. And if we do that, this is going to give us the left hand side will give us y to the power of 2 equal to our 4, because 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4, and 1 all over 2 times 2 will give us 1. So we're going to have y here, 4y. Move this 4y to this side to give us our y to the power of 2 minus 4y equal to 0. Again, never make the mistake of dividing through by y at this stage here, because you come up with one root only. But here, we have to bring out 2 roots. And so, at this point, we can now factor y from the system. So this will now give us bracket our y minus 4 or equal to 0. Then we have 2 cases here. We have case 1. Our case 1 is going to give us our y equal to 0. So we have here y equal to 0. But remember where we did our substitution. Look at it here. We said that let the ln of x be equal to y. So we bring back the expression. Yeah, so this is going to give us our ln of x is equal to 0. Okay, we are looking for x, right? Good. So this is ln base e. So long this is to base e, we can bring e into the system and raise it to this expression, do same thing on this other side. So this is going to give us e all raised to the power of ln of x is equals to e raised to the power of 0. Because this is e to the power of ln base e, then what happened? This and this will leave the system. So if this leaves, then we are now having x will now be equal to e to the power of 0 will give us 1. So this is the first value of x that will satisfy this equation. So this is our x1. Now we take the second case, which is this. So we're going to have our case 2. So in our case 2, we have our y minus 4 is equal to 0. So if we move this to this side, we're going to have y is equal to our positive 4. Then what we do here is easy. Bring in the value of our y, which is ln of x. So have ln x is equals to 4. Again, we raise both sides of this equation to, we rewrite this expression we have here. So rewriting this is going to give us our e all raised to the power of ln of x is equals to our e raised to the power of 4. Okay, good. So this will leave. So we now have x is equal to e to the power of 4. Now, this will give you a numerical value, right? So if we find the numerical value, this is going to give us our is equal to 54.5981. Okay, so approximately we can say x2 is equals to 54.6. So this is the second value of x that will satisfy the original equation. Okay, so thank you for being there. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video tutorial, give the video a thumbs up. We bring more videos your way. Bye.